Are you looking for extra income while keeping the job or business? Are you ready to share your wisdom experience to people in the form of books? Then I have an idea to share with you. You can write books. You can self-publish your book on Amazon KDP. KDP means that is the direct publishing. There is no mediator. You can write a book, you can upload it on Amazon. Then your book will get sale from across the world. I am Peter. I published 20 books on Amazon KDP. I am getting royalty every month. Here you can see the last year I got the sales of 1209 books. Here is the statistics. You can see here is the diagram. Look here. These all books I got sales. Circled by Criminal, then Criminal Psychology, Past Life. These all books I got sales. Now you can see from where I got these all sales. From USA, I got 890 book sale from the ebook category, 10 book in the print category. Then you can see in India, then 100 plus books were sold in India. Then UK, Germany, Japan, Canada, Australia, Spain, France, Netherlands, Mexico, Italy. These all countries I got sales. So if you publish a book, you can also make lot of passive income in the form of book sales. People are eagerly waiting for how to make money, extra income without any investment. For publishing the Amazon KDP, there is no need of any investment. You just type it on the laptop and format it, edit it, and you can make a cover from Canva itself, then upload it. If the book is highly demanding, you will get sales automatically from across the world. So that I am saying, if you are interested, you can subscribe this channel. Every day I am giving some valuable tips related to self-publishing. Thank you for watching the video. We can meet next day with next topic. Bye.